Welcome to Spring Outdoor Tablescape Sunday 2020. Let's go outside and relax. All right, family. Today's collaboration is hosted by Miss Lynn from LYNN'S Lifestyle Living, and she have also co-hosts, which are DIVA Decorating, Miss Geraldine, me, myself, and DIYing It, which is Miss Tammy, Cynthia, She's So Blessed, which is Miss Cynthia, and Mysterious Alberta, which is Miss Alberta. For today's collaboration, the colors that I am using are light blue, I'm also using yellow, and I'm also using white. So pretty much Tablescape Sunday is being held outside. We could pick any part of our yard or any place outside to put our tablescape. But right now, I'm in my backyard and I decided to use white square plates. And I also wanted to create my own two-tier centerpiece. So I took a glass base, filled it with the acrylic gemstones, and I also took two clear saucers and stacked them on top of each other. I put one to the bottom as my base and also one to the top. I decided that I wanted a pop of yellow and not all yellow decor, so I decided to do lemons as my pop of yellow decor. I love using lemons for color pop. I also used my bling tray, my clear brick bling tray, which has clear silverware on it. I pretty much wanted to keep it laid back and relaxed. When I was actually thinking of the concept of this particular table, I had wanted to do like an outside Nautica beach theme. That's why I incorporated the burlap runner. It's like a short runner. So I pretty much took a piece of burlap cloth and I just ran it in the center and I layered it to make it look kind of thick. And I also wanted to give that real relaxed, simple feel of just cleanness and clean cut decor without too much clutter or too much color. So right now, I'm giving you an overall view of my table. Everything that I used today, I did not have to purchase anything. Everything I already had. The particular little lantern on top of my centerpiece, that is something that I had from my fall decor, but it's like a smoke gray color, and I really thought that that smoke gray color would look really good with my table. Make sure you show the host and the co-host some love. Go to their channels. All their links will be in the description box. And thank you so much for watching.